In the world of custom motorcycles, few names shine as brightly as Ellaspede. The Brisbane-based workshop has built a legendary reputation for creating some of the most striking and innovative two-wheeled machines in Australia. Their latest masterpiece, a one-off Honda CBX750F Cafe Racer, pushes creativity to new heights, with subtle nods to one of the most iconic cars ever made, the Ferrari Testarossa. This stunning build began with an open-minded client named Colm, who initially wanted a BMW R100 as his custom base. However, plans took a turn when he decided to pursue the classic 1984 Honda CBX750F instead. Finding a suitable donor bike in Australia proved challenging, as post-pandemic prices in the second-hand market were sky-high. To make the most of his budget, Colm imported the CBX750F directly from Japan, saving funds to pour into Ellaspede's custom transformation process. Before any metal was cut or welded, Ellaspede's team created several sketches and digital renderings to lock in the vision. Once the final concept was approved, they got to work tearing the motorcycle down to its bones. The rear of the bike was completely reimagined, featuring a custom-built tubular subframe that gives the CBX a muscular, purposeful stance. The sides are wrapped in smooth metal panels, giving it an ultra-clean silhouette, while the tail section steals the show with its Ferrari Testarossa-inspired design. The rear tail unit is a sculpted piece of art, housing a stunning LED taillight assembly made up of stacked horizontal acrylic sections. The sharp lines and red glow evoke the spirit of the Tarossa's iconic rear end. On top of that elegant structure rests a finely stitched Alcantara saddle, merging comfort with high-end luxury. The rear suspension was completely overhauled and converted into a monoshock setup using an Öhlins shock absorber paired with a Ducati 1198 single-sided swing arm. This combination gives the Honda a sleek, open look at the back, while drastically improving handling. Up front, Ellaspede fitted inverted Öhlins forks held by CNC machine triple clamps, adding both performance and precision. From the front view, the bike looks fierce and futuristic. A pair of LED projector headlights sit side by side within a bespoke fairing that gives the CBX750F a commanding presence on the road. The original fuel tank remains, but was reshaped for a more aggressive profile, complete with custom CBX750 badges machined from solid billet aluminum. The performance-focused upgrades continue below, with carbon fiber 7-spoke wheels from BST, wrapped in Pirelli Diablo Rosso 4 tires for maximum grip. Braking power comes from premium Brembo calipers and floating rotors at the front, ensuring the motorcycle stops as sharply as it accelerates. In the cockpit, Ellaspede opted for a clean, racing-inspired setup. Clip-on handlebars house Moto Gadget bar and mirrors, turn signals, and illuminated switches. A Moto Gadget Motoscope Pro digital dash displays all vital information, while the entire electrical system was rewired using Moto Gadget's advanced control unit for reliability and efficiency. The heart of this custom build, the CBX's 747cc inline-4 engine, was completely rebuilt by Firth Racing's Stuart Firth. Every component was refreshed, from the internals to the intake and exhaust systems. Large K&N pod filters feed fresh air to the engine, while the exhaust gases exit through a Yoshimura 4-in-1 exhaust system, giving the bike a throaty, unmistakable sound. Finishing the build is a stunning paint scheme in black and white with subtle red accents that echo Ferrari's spirit. The gold Öhlins components complement the color palette perfectly, resulting in a harmonious blend of power, precision, and style. Ellaspede's Ferrari-inspired Honda CBX750F is more than just a motorcycle. It's a rolling piece of craftsmanship that bridges the worlds of automotive art and performance engineering. Every detail tells the story of innovation and passion, proving once again that Ellaspede knows how to turn a vintage bike into something truly extraordinary.